TV turned on by itself. Dude, where are your socks? Oh, it's happening again. Let's go check and... Yeah. Oh, this is Danny's car. I know. I hate when this is Danny's car. So, you got... Oh, dude, are those your socks? Those are my socks for so long. Okay, I'm going.
Go. Whoa. In. Go. Go.
This would be the bloopers because we have to keep on stopping. Everybody.
We'll just cut it out and then make it so I fall.
So we don't make the bloopers at all?
No, we don't. We'll do that later, like we mess up everything from the beginning to the end. I press this button, this flower button.
Yep.
Okay.
Make sure you're pointing down.
Okay.